Kaustubh. I'm part of Crossover, and we had this beautiful Sierra for our drive today. And what can I say? I have driven the Sierra when I was in college, and I was waiting for to get my hands on this one when this was launched. And I can just say it's a wow feeling. Brings a lot of old memories driving the brand, but entirely different from the inside out. It's got a lot of features which have come in, and I just love it. I just say Tata has done a great job getting this vehicle back and looking for the 4x4 now. Thank you.
We have this Tata Sierra today on Crossroad Drive. I'm Tushar from Crossroad. Legendary vehicle obviously from the past, and now if you see they've just upgraded it. The feel, they've maintained it with a lot of luxury into it, and we really love the drive. The vehicle is pretty capable of decent mild off-roading or say off-track capabilities. And we have all the vehicles from Crossroad today, and everybody loved the vehicle. We have done the test drive. What I like about the vehicle, it has a lot of comfort, a lot of the latest features with the old essence of the vehicle they have maintained. And this is not an old vehicle now, it's been launched few months back, but we have got it fortunately on our drive today, and we absolutely loved it. The luxury inside has been taken care of fantastically. It's amazing vehicle. Definitely fantastic work by Tata, and we're looking for a 4x4 engine from Tata very soon.
Hi, my name is Sumit, and I'm here with the Crossover adventure for a small adventure with Tata Sierra. And being a millennial kid, Tata Sierra always hold a special place in my heart, because Tata Sierra has seen in my 90s when we used to go to school, and there was rough patch, and there was a nice sleek car we used to see, and Tata Sierra used to just zoom past us. And Tata Sierra coming back is definitely a nostalgic era back, along with the technology, new age technology. Tata Sierra has done a very good job. I'm a 6-foot guy sitting in the trunk of the car, and I'm enjoying every lovely bit of this car. So thank you so much, Tata, to bring it back, and definitely looking for a 4x4 coming in this. Thank you.
So I test drove the Sierra today. Not at all disappointing. I had a lot of expectations, and she kind of, proved 100% on each one of them. I absolutely love this V-pillar design that they have carried forward. I so wanted to have the, how's the view from inside, and they've kind of done justice to the the DNA of Sierra. So lovely, amazing.
You can see where the car is right now. It's just proved its DNA for sure. Tata's done a good job.